All right. Yeah, that wasn't going to work. I couldn't get it to go through 2 layers of metal. And the right way to do this, but yeah, like, when's the last time you ever saw me do anything the right way? I mean, it just goes against the whole redneck build and repair concept. But the right way to do it is, but I'm not going to be doing all that much sheet metal work, and I don't want to take the time to learn it, even though I've read about it. Is you're supposed to fold this over, slip them in together, kind of how the duct, the duct was originally, how ductwork fits together, and then you kind of fold them together again and smash them down flat, and they hold themselves in. Well, I don't really have the equipment to do that. And maybe one of these days I will. But what I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to go ahead and clip these in, and then I'm going to drill some holes and pop rivet them together, which is what I planned to do originally in the first place. So let's see. Not exactly sure if this is showing, but going to go ahead and pre-mark. Actually, let's go ahead and do 4 of them. Okay, there we go. Let's see if this works. Let's see if I can actually get this to do this the way I'm thinking. Probably need a special kind of vise and actually a little bit more of a curve here. Get that to line up. Gotta have it line up right at the edge. All right, now we'll see how it fits. I did something wrong. I either cut on the wrong side of the line, or my measurement on my for my compass, or whatever you want to call it, wasn't right. Well, that's okay, because what I'm going to have to do, it's more work, but hey, that's what happens when you redneck things. This will fit inside. Oops, this can fit inside, but I'm going to have to take this apart again and take, oh no, I won't. I have to, jeez, see, making more work for myself. I got to take this off, and I can do that by undoing these screws. Put this inside, and then screw it in from the inside and seal it there. And actually, I can probably seal on both spots and make it even better. Make it seal even better, which, I don't know. Anyway, that'll work for that. Now let's see how it fits on the 2-inch coupling that I was going to use. Okay, we're back over here. And let's see how this fits. Well, I think that actually fits just about right. Man, I almost wish it was smaller like the other one, because fitting it inside was probably a better idea. But hey, I'll be able to, once I get this, actually done as a circle, and I'll be able to fit it on there, and probably end up running duct tape around it or something to seal it up. I will squirt some silicone around the inside, and then yeah, we'll see how it actually pretty happy with this. So well, hey, next video we'll see how it goes together actually on the unit. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, do what you can with what you have, where you are. God bless you all. See you next time.